This warm-up is typically done to the song Sing, Sing, Sing by Anita O'Day. It's very similar to the one that was from level 1, except the technical work is a little bit more difficult. So we start the warm-up with a series of walks, and we have 4 different sections that are going to follow the same pattern. And that pattern is 8 forward, 8 back, 4 forward, 4 back, 2 forward, 2 back, 2 forward, 2 back. Then we go side to side, 4 right, 4 left, 2 right, 2 left, 1, 1, 1, 1. And like I said, there's going to be 4 sections of this. They'll be relatively fast. We're starting off with just plain tap walks. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 4, 3, 2, 1, and 4, 3, 2, 1, and forward and back, and forward and back. Good. When we take it side to side, the first foot's going to do heel toe, and that's what you're going to count. Second foot's going to come together and do a toe heel, maybe a little bit behind. So if you count the heel toes, you're doing 4 sets. So you've got heel toe toe heel heel toe toe heel heel toe toe heel heel toe touch. Then we go to the left, same thing, heel toe toe heel heel toe heel heel toe toe heel heel toe touch. Then we're doing 2 to the right, heel toe toe heel heel toe touch, heel toe toe heel heel toe touch. Then you're going to do your singles, heel toe touch, heel toe touch, heel toe touch, heel toe touch. All right, so that's the first set. Second set through this sequence is still tap walks, but we're going to add a scuff going forward and a brush going back. So a scuff is when only the heel strikes the floor, and it's like a brush, but with the heel, with the back part of the heel. So you're going to be adding that to your little tap walk, and it's going to be fairly fast, and it's going to be a 1, 2 is going to be your rhythm. So it's almost like you're not scuffing big, you got to keep it tiny, and so it's like almost like a tap big toe. On the way back, you're adding a backwards brush to make it like a backwards flap heel. So we follow that same 8, 8, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2 pattern. So you've got a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, 7, 8, going back, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4, 3, 2, 1, and 4, 3, 2, 1, and forward and back, and forward and back. When we take it side to side, that first foot is doing that scuff heel toe, second foot is doing like a step heel. So you've got a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a touch, we're adding a little spank before the touch, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and spank touch, then you do your 2, a 1, a 2, and spank touch, a 1, a 2, and spank touch, then you're going to do scuff heel, toe, spank touch, scuff heel, toe, spank touch, scuff heel, toe, spank touch. All right, so that's the second set. Third set, we're doing flap heels. Now, these are not, up to this point, you have pretty much done flap heels with a nice slow, a 1, 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6 type of rhythm. That is not what we're doing here. We're taking it to a triplet rhythm, so you've got to get your complete flap heel in a single beat. So it's going to be and a 1, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. And the same thing going back. So it's going to be fast. So 8 forward, 8 back, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8. All right, so those heel drops are happening on the actual count. The brush step is happening on the and a. So, and a 1, and a 2. You You want to work on those. Now we're taking it side to side. We're still keeping that endo 1, endo 2, endo 3, endo 4 rhythm. So you're going to do endo 1, endo 2, endo 3, endo 4, endo 5, 6, 7. Just by touch. Now from here, following the same sequence, we are going to do walking slurps. So your slurp, just so that you remember, is toe, heel, toe, but you're going to do it with a relaxed leg, and you want to think about picking up the knee. But we are going to be walking with these, so you got to change your weight with each slurp. So it's fast, but you still want to think about picking up the knee before that slurp to get the nice sound. The more relaxed the feet and ankle are, the better it's going to sound. Going back, we're still doing that little triplet backwards flap heel. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Side to side, so you're slurping with the first foot, spank step heel with the second foot. So you have slurps are not as good when I go side to side. Then you do your 2. Then you're going to do slurps and touch, slurps and touch. That finishes this section. So the walk parts are over. Then we are going to move on to shuffles. And for your shuffles, we are going to be alternating directions with every shuffle. We are following a pattern of 6 shuffles and then a double shuffle rhythm step. So the first set is going to be front, side, front, side, front, side, front, side step. Then you do the left, front, side, front, side, front, side step. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, double shuffle step. Then the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Then you're doing side and back. Side, back, side, back, side, back, side, back, back. Then you're going to do back side, back side. Then you're doing side, front, side, front, side, front, side, front. Okay, the reason I do this is because I want you to pay attention to the positioning of your legs and feet when you do these. So when you're going to the front, everything is square and parallel. When you're going to the side, there may be a little turnout to it, but you're hitting just the part by the big toe. And so you should feel and see a difference in how that is. Then when you're going to the back, you can open up the hip, the knee turns out, the foot is turned out, so side, back. You really have to move that hip to get to the positions. So pay attention to this while you do this. A lot of times I'll tell people shuffle side, front, side, and what I see is kind of here, and I can't tell the front and the side look exactly the same. They kind of find a place in the middle. So you want to actually move that leg and get those positions while you're doing this. The next little section we're going to do is going to have a shuffle, a scuffle, and a riffle in it. So your shuffle, and this is going to be slowed down a little bit. Your shuffle is going to be your brush, brush. Your scuffle is when you scuff going forward, just the back part of the heel hits, and you brush the toe coming up and back. Your riffle, you're going to do a riff, so that's toe scuff, and then your brush coming back. So I'm going to turn sideways so you can see the difference between the three. So your shuffle is here, your scuffle, your riffle. So the riffle has 3 sounds. All of the others have 2. So you've got brush, brush, scuff, brush, toe scuff, brush. So we are going to do shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. And you'll do 2 sets, switching right, left to the front. Then 2 sets to the side, 2 sets to the back, 2 sets to the side. So that's going to be shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. Shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. Shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. Shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. Then to the side, again, pay attention to your positioning. Your leg and feet are positioned the same as they are when you were doing your shuffles. So you're going shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. Shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. Shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. Shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. Then we go to the back. Now you're opening up the hip, the foot faces to the side. Shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. Shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. Shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. Shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. We do the side one more time. Shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. Shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. Shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. Shuffle, scuffle, riffle, step. All right. From here, we are going to go into our crawl work. This session, we are crawling out and in, and we are doing a single beat crawl. So you're only going to hit the floor once before you move on to the next little thing. So we do 2 sets plain, and that's going to be toe, heel, out, heel, heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, toe. Then we are going to slow it down and add that alternating heel drop. You're going to do 2 sets like this. So that will be toe, heel, 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 toe, heel, 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 toe, heel, 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 toe, toe, heel, 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 toe, heel, 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 toe, heel, heel, heel. Again, we go toe, heel, 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 toe, heel, 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 toe, heel, 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 toe, toe, heel, 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 toe, heel, 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 toe, heel, 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 toe. Then we're going to take it up to tempo for 4 sets. So you will go toe, heel, 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 toe, heel, 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 toe, heel, 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 toe, heel,